Right, really quick video. So I was changing my aircon compressor the other day. When I went to extract the vacuum from the low pressure point, I noticed that it was leaking. Gas was coming out back out. So before you actually pump the aircon fluid in, I need to change the Shreider valve. And I bought this for about £6. So I noticed that's a normal Shreider valve on the high pressure, but on the low pressure it's actually a larger one, even though the little kind of cap is a bit smaller. So if you look in here, I've got a mixture of Schreiders, and see there's a large one right there compared to a normal one right there. So I think I've got 3 large ones and maybe 3 small ones, and that's a special tool to remove it. So I think I might need some sort of a pair of pliers to turn the thing, I think. So after removing the low pressure port, you can see there's a valve in there, and you can't really tell, but it's actually larger than the normal ones. Say the normal ones would be on your bicycle tyre quite often. So small adapter, large adapter, large one in. The small one won't actually fit in there. Well, I mean, they don't fit. I mean, it's see, I've got still a bit of a vacuum in there. Small one won't reach that far. See, it's still got a bit of a vacuum after the leaks have taken its toll, and it's probably leaked through the valve. So I've undone it. It's just a simple case of extracting it out. You see some old aircon fluid in there as well. So that valve is done. I'm going to make sure it's thrown away. Put a new one on. The reverse, right? Obviously. Finger tighten it. Simple as that, really. Tighten it, and then give it the same amount of torque that took to undo it. Probably just finger tight, really. Yeah, finger tight. Right, okay. That's it. That's the video. Thanks for watching.